In today's video, I will be breaking down two trades I took this morning. Both were longs, both were very profitable, both gave me my 10 points, and we ended the day off with 20 points. And the first trade I entered with 6 MNQs, which 10 points is $120. Next trade I entered with 3 MNQs, which 10 points is $60. And keep in mind, this is MNQ. If this was NQ, we'd be up on the day 1700. So keep that in mind. As per usual, I will do the breakdown of the trades as I play the video of the trade. So over here, I entered at 17,847, which over here on the 5-minute was a close above the fast moving averages, and it kind of retested into the fast moving averages. Over here on the 2-minute, it closed above the fast moving averages and started pushing and broke above the green moving average. So those are all signs to go in. I enter in and I place a stop loss or a trailing loss to manage my risk because I'm up this much. I'm not going to give it all away. And look, hits my target up on the day, $117 so far after the first trade. Got my 10 points. And let's go into the second trade. Here we are in the second trade. I'm up on the trade, 3 MNQs. This one I did scale out, but the thing is I scaled out each of the contracts at 10 points themselves. So it was technically a full 10-point stop out for all 3 contracts. That's why my closed PL is 170 for the end of the day. But let's look at the entry of the trade. I'm going to pause it for a sec. Here on the 5-minute, on the 5-minute, it closed above the closed in the fast moving averages, but it did break up out of the fast moving averages. On the 2-minute, it kind of went into the fast moving average and the moving averages, but on the 1-minute, you can see it closed above the momentum shift after a green momentum shift upward. So that was really good, and I took the trade. I scaled out the contracts each at 10 points, so it was technically a full 3 MNQ contract trade at 10 points. And as you can see in the video, I am scaling out the contracts. Doesn't matter, still got my 10 points on it. And that's basically how today went. It was a really good day for longs. If you were going long, you could have pushed it at sometimes, but in general, it was really good long day. 2 beautiful trades. This is the best live real money trade I've taken and actually shown in the YouTube series. So yeah, trading with live money, real money, live data, it's all the same, and that's the only way you're going to learn. So let's get to the breakdown of today on the weekly and daily charts. Here on the daily on the left as per usual, and weekly on the right. Let's start off with the weekly. The weekly, as I said in my previous video, that the blue fast moving average will probably act as support, and it did that because on the daily it went into the big support zone, retraced up, closed kind of like above the fast moving averages, and the new bar opened above the fast moving average. All good signs. Over here the divergence is broken on the daily, but the divergence is still in play on the weekly. We are still looking for longs. It is still in an uptrend, and yeah, 2 long trades today worked out beautifully. We're still in an uptrend, that is why. And yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.